Hi guys, I'm Patrick. We're out here in our test shed to talk through a question we received from a customer about our K2 Pro. Here on the label we show a range of 18 feet to 40 feet, and this customer was writing in to ask, how do I achieve both of those distances? Today we're going to show you. Because the K2 Pro has a distance control dial, bringing your distance back to 18 feet is easy. Simply insert the included K key into the distance control dial and turn counterclockwise to reduce the distance. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water on. Again, we have about 50 pounds of pressure here, 50 PSI. So with this distance control, the way it comes from the factory, it's wide open. And we're going about 40 feet here in our test shed. I'm gonna take the K key right here in my hand, and I'm just gonna insert it into this distance dial that I showed you a moment ago. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, and you can see that the spray distance starts to come in a little bit. I can actually go ahead and turn it all the way off if I want. Then, in order to increase the distance back to its maximum, I just turn it clockwise again and back to 40 feet. So it's real easy. This distance control dial lets you turn it counterclockwise, so we bring it back in, clockwise to go all the way back out.